Hey guys, today's video is going to be a relaxing clean with me video. This weekend was a busy one for us. It was Charlie's 5th birthday party and it was a little bit of chaos. But it was a lot of fun, and now that it's over, I just felt like relaxing today. It's Monday morning and I wanted to clean my usual deep clean that I do on Mondays now, but I wanted to do it in a relaxing style and just zen out. So this weekend, I picked up one of these portable diffusers. It's battery powered, which I really liked because I hate dealing with cords, and I really wanted to branch out of my lemon essential oils. So I bought this Happy tri-pack, and I'm gonna try the Good Mood blend today and try this little diffuser out. So there's no water involved here, it's just a fan diffuser. So it just takes a little disc on top, and I'm going to put the oil on there, and then the fan just diffuses the essential oil into the air. And I just placed it on my shelf right here, and let me tell you, I love the scent. I'm addicted already. It smells like a spa in my place and I'm digging it. So the other thing I really like to do when I'm trying to relax is turn on some music, and I'm gonna get Amazon Alexa to play me Odessa, which is just like an Alexa, EDM, relaxing EDM that I really enjoy. And then I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, something that also really relaxes me. It kind of perks me up and relaxes me at the same time, you know? A good cup of coffee can go a long way. So that's my trifecta: a good diffusing oil and a good coffee with good tunes is a great way to get cleaning done. So now that I've got that done, I'm going back to the kitchen, just cleaning up my regular breakfast stuff. And I'm going to be cleaning out the sink. I'm just using dish soap and vinegar to clean out the sink this morning. It just really helps give that shine back to my stainless steel sink. While that's soaking, I'm just going to tackle the high chair. Now I'm just going to spray down these banisters. They get so many fingerprints on them every day, so I'm just using my Lemonade glass cleaner to wipe off those prints. And I'm using the same cleaner to clean the microwave as well. It's not that bad this morning, so it doesn't need a really deep clean, but this just puts the shine back into it. Same with my stovetop here. I'm just going to use the same cleaner to get that looking fresh again too. This is Charlie's craft table. He got this awesome craft set from my sister-in-law for his birthday, so I'm just tidying it up here. It's quite large, so we're just keeping it on the table because he's obsessed with crafts right now. He does them before and after school, so I'm just going to tidy them up here for him and leave them on the table. I really wanted to focus on toys today, just kind of decluttering a little bit and also looking at the toys that needed to be cleaned. I'm going to be dishwashing some of these toys that are fully plastic, so I'm just separating them out into ones that I can dishwash and ones that I can't, and just organizing them a bit here. So I just emptied out the dishwasher and put the whole bucket of toys right in there, and that fit, so I was super happy with that. And now I'm just dealing with this command center, as I call it. It always collects so much stuff, and so I had waited about a week before emptying it, and I just was taking out all of the stuff and putting in just the necessities. And there's the finished kitchen. It's looking pretty good. I also picked up these towels on the weekend. I couldn't help myself. I don't decorate a lot in our small space, but these were cute on clearance at Winners, so I picked them up. And now I'm just gonna get back to the floors. I'm using my Rubbermaid Reveal Mop. This week I'm gonna put all of my gear that I'm using in the description box. So if you're interested in any of it, please go down there and check it out. I'm also going to be putting the songs that I use. Now Bellamy is awake, and so she's gonna be my helper. As you can see, we've got this extra bed in our bedroom because Charlie was sleeping there while we were trying to sleep train Bellamy, but now they're both sleeping in the same room successfully, I'm happy to report. So I'm gonna put the bed back into Charlie's room. He collected a lot of his things when he was here. He wanted to bring all of the comforts from his own room in. So there's Legos and other random things that he wanted to sleep with, and a lot of books. So I'm just grabbing those here, and I'm gonna put them back in his room, but not before I just change out the pillowcases here. I find that Bellamy really likes to help me out when I'm cleaning. She likes to sort buckets of stuff, so I'm just giving her the pillowcases to sort there while I transfer the stuff into their room. Now I'm going to tackle the blinds. I really hate these curtains that we have. We could not afford to put up better window coverings in our rental. We didn't want to invest in blinds. It would cost us thousands and thousands. So we just got curtains and put them up. And I never really took them down this summer because of the heat, and also because Bellamy's crib was right in front of them, and it was just such a pain. So now that the crib is not here anymore, I'm just cleaning out the windowsills, and I intend to take the blinds off much more frequently in the winter just to let in more light, and I just think it's healthier to open up the blinds when I can. So Bellamy is helping me out here. And I'm just using my Dyson vacuum here to get up into all the nooks and crannies. I really like this vacuum because it's got a small attachment, so you can get right up into the corners and get out all the dust. So that's what I'm doing here. So I brought up this chair from the living room, and I'm just putting it here with all our window coverings and a nice blanket from my mother-in-law over top of it. I really like the way it turned out here, and I'm just gonna fold some laundry as well. The room feels much more spacious now that we're down a bed in the corner there, and it feels just light and airy again, which is really nice. So into the kids' room. The kids' room does not feel as light and airy. It feels really cramped with Bellamy's pack and play on the floor here. So I intend to, after her first nap of the day, move the pack and play onto the top of the bunk bed. But that means I have to clear off the top of the bunk bed, which I have been collecting a bunch of toys and clothing on top of. So I'm just sorting that right now to get that clear. And I'm putting the mattress back on top of the bunk bed, and then I'm gonna heave the pack and play. It's actually not that heavy, but I'm gonna put the pack and play on top of the bunk bed and see how that goes for the next little while. Of course, Bellamy's not gonna sleep up there, just for the record, in case you were wondering. I'm just storing it up there when she's not sleeping in it. I got this new rug, which is going to be part of the new decor I'm going to put in that room, so stay tuned for that. I am planning on painting pretty soon. So I'm just getting into the bathroom here. I'm using the Method bathroom cleaner. I like this stuff, but I rarely ever use it. I only use it when I just need a light cleaning to be done, and that's what the case was today. So I'm just lightly cleaning it with that. I picked up some new things at Winners this weekend for the bathroom as well. Lemongrass soap and a face scrub with charcoal. So I'm just putting that in the shower, and then I'm going to clean the sink here. Now back in the kids' room, I'm just wiping down the glass inside here with the Method glass cleaner. And Bellamy's getting into the paper towels and everything really, so that's always fun. Now back to the laundry. I didn't have too much to do today, but I had a few loads, so I'm just changing that out. I really like these bags that we got at IKEA. One I put a little red tag on for dirty clothes, and the other one is for clean. Now I'm just spot cleaning the floors a little bit. I like to use a Lysol wipe. Sometimes there's just some stuff that won't come up and I have to hand scrub the floor, and Lysol wipes do pretty well with our floor. Okay guys, the place is looking pretty fresh. I'm feeling both relaxed, happy, and fresh. It's a great feeling. And I'm gonna go pick up Charlie from school now. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now. Thumbs up if you like relaxing cleaning videos. I realize I really like them, so I am happy to make them. And please subscribe if you like to see more of this kind of stuff. I make vlogs twice a week, and right now a cleaning video or something like this once a week. So please subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one.